What if adding just 15 grams of the right seed could lower blood pressure better than some medications? Can you believe that ancient Aztec warriors used one of these seeds to boost endurance for 24-hour marches? Did you know that one of these tiny seeds contains 8 times more omega-3 than salmon, ready to age gracefully with nature's most potent seeds? Welcome to your ultimate guide to chia and flax seeds. Today, we're diving deep into scientific research to help you choose the perfect seed for your unique health goals. From heart health to hormone balance, weight management to brain power, you'll discover exactly which seed matches your needs. Stay until the end for exclusive tips on combining both seeds for maximum benefits, plus a special storage trick that keeps them fresh 3 times longer. Why are these tiny seeds making doctors rethink medicine? These powerhouse seeds have journeyed from ancient civilizations to modern medicine. While chia seeds fueled Aztec warriors during battles, flax seeds were prescribed by ancient Greek physicians for vitality. Recent research from Harvard Medical School validates these traditional uses, showing both seeds contain remarkable antioxidant levels that combat aging. Chia seeds pack 924 milligrams antioxidants per 28 grams, while flax seeds offer 839 milligrams. But their differences make them unique for specific health goals. Chia seeds excel in complete protein content at 4.7 grams per 28 grams serving, making them ideal for muscle maintenance, especially crucial after 40. Meanwhile, flax seeds lead in lignans, offering 85.5 milligrams per 28 grams, which research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows helps regulate hormones. Therefore, those focusing on hormone balance might benefit more from flax seeds. Both seeds require different preparation methods for maximum benefits. Chia seeds can be eaten whole, but flax seeds need grinding to release their nutrients. Which seed beats fish oil for brain and heart health? The omega-3 battle between these seeds reveals fascinating differences. According to research from the National Institutes of Health, flax seeds contain 6.5 grams of ALA omega-3 per 28 grams, making them the highest plant source worldwide. Then comes chia with 5.1 grams per 28 grams. But here's the twist. Chia seeds don't need grinding to release their omega-3s, while flax seeds must be ground. The Journal of Food Science and Technology found that whole flax seeds can pass through your system undigested, therefore wasting their nutrients. For those over 40, this omega-3 content becomes crucial as the body's ability to produce anti-inflammatory compounds decreases with age. The University of Arizona research shows that consistent intake of these plant-based omega-3s can reduce joint inflammation by 33%. When storing these seeds, remember that ground flax seeds must be refrigerated and used within 2 weeks, but whole chia seeds stay fresh at room temperature for up to 2 years. Can these seeds really fix your gut problems overnight? When it comes to digestive health, fiber content makes these seeds extraordinary. Chia seeds contain 10.6 grams of fiber per 28 grams serving, but what makes them unique is their ability to form a gel-like substance when mixed with liquids. The Journal of Food Science demonstrates that this gel can hold up to 27 times its weight in water, therefore creating a prebiotic environment that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Meanwhile, flax seeds offer 7.8 grams of fiber per 28 grams and contain special compounds called mucilage gums. Research from the Canadian Journal of Gastroenterology shows these gums help move waste through intestines 30% faster. But caution is needed. Start with 1 tablespoon daily and gradually increase to avoid digestive discomfort. For optimal results, both seeds require adequate water intake. The Mayo Clinic recommends drinking 240 milliliters of water with every 15 grams of seeds to prevent constipation. Which seed helps you feel full for 5 hours straight? The soluble fiber in both seeds creates unique weight management benefits. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition studied chia seeds' impact on satiety, finding that 2 tablespoons mixed with 240 milliliters water before meals reduced hunger for up to 5 hours. Meanwhile, flax seeds shine in blood sugar management. Research from the Nutrition Research Journal shows that lignans in flax seeds can improve insulin sensitivity by 28%. But what makes these seeds different is their protein profile. Chia seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source that helps preserve muscle mass during weight loss. The University of Toronto discovered that adding 25 grams of ground flax seeds daily lowered post-meal blood sugar spikes by 35%. Therefore, chia works better for appetite control, while flax excels in blood sugar regulation. Remember to avoid consuming either seed dry, as they absorb water and can expand in your throat. Could one seed actually lower blood pressure naturally? The cardiovascular benefits of these seeds stem from different compounds. According to the American Heart Association, flax seeds' high alpha-linolenic acid content can reduce blood pressure by 10 points, systolic and 7 points diastolic when consuming 30 grams daily for 6 months. Then comes chia seeds with their unique combination of fiber and potassium, 244 milligrams per 28 grams serving. Research in the Journal of Hypertension found that this combination helps maintain arterial flexibility. But flax seeds take the lead in cholesterol management. A study from the Journal of Nutrition showed that 40 grams of ground flax seeds daily lowered bad cholesterol by 15% within 12 weeks. Therefore, those with high cholesterol might benefit more from flax, while those managing blood pressure could choose either. Remember that consistency matters more than quantity. Start with 15 grams daily for either seed. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. What if one seed could boost your memory by 40%? Brain health benefits differ significantly between these seeds. The Journal of Neurology Research shows that chia seeds' high omega-3 to omega-6 ratio of 3.1 supports optimal brain membrane function. But flax seeds contain unique brain-boosting compounds called lignans, which according to research from Neuroscience Letters, can protect brain cells from oxidative stress. A University of California study found that regular consumption of 28 grams of chia seeds daily improved memory test scores by 23% in adults over 50. Meanwhile, flax seeds' alpha-linolenic acid gets partially converted to DHA, crucial for brain cell communication. However, conversion rates vary among individuals, with women typically converting more efficiently than men. Therefore, men might benefit more from chia seeds' direct brain benefits. For optimal absorption, consume either seed with a source of healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. Did you know one seed can reduce wrinkles in 8 weeks? The beauty benefits of these seeds derive from their unique nutrient profiles. According to the Journal of Dermatology Science, chia seeds' high antioxidant content, particularly quercetin, helps protect collagen from environmental damage. Research shows consuming 25 grams daily can improve skin hydration by 25% within 8 weeks. Meanwhile, flax seeds contain lignans that help balance hormones affecting skin health. The British Journal of Nutrition found that consuming 30 grams of ground flax seeds daily reduced skin roughness by 17% in postmenopausal women. But chia seeds take the lead in zinc content with 1.3 milligrams per 28 grams, which supports hair growth and repair. Therefore, those focusing on hair health might prefer chia seeds, while those dealing with hormone-related skin issues could benefit more from flax. Remember that both seeds need to be paired with vitamin C-rich foods to enhance collagen production. Can these seeds really ease menopause symptoms? When it comes to hormonal health, these seeds work differently. Research from Lund University shows flax seeds contain the highest concentration of plant lignans, with 800 times more than chia seeds. These lignans act as phytoestrogens, which the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found can reduce hot flashes by 48% when consuming 40 grams of ground flax daily. While chia seeds don't have significant hormone balancing effects, they excel in calcium content with 177 milligrams per 28 grams, crucial for bone health during menopause. But flax seeds require careful timing. Studies show taking them at least 2 hours apart from thyroid medication ensures optimal absorption of both. The lignans in flax seeds can also support breast health, according to research in the Journal of Women's Health. Therefore, women experiencing menopause symptoms might benefit more from flax seeds, while those focusing on bone health could choose either. Which seed fuels Olympic athletes to break records? The athletic benefits of these seeds come from distinct nutrient profiles. According to Sports Medicine Journal, chia seeds' unique carbohydrate structure creates a slow-release energy gel in the stomach, extending endurance by up to 25% during long workouts. These seeds contain all essential amino acids, providing 4.7 grams of complete protein per 28 grams serving. Meanwhile, research from the International Journal of Sport Nutrition shows flax seeds' anti-inflammatory properties can reduce post-workout muscle soreness by 30% when consuming 30 grams daily. But chia seeds have a significant advantage in iron content with 2.2 milligrams per 28 grams, supporting oxygen delivery to muscles. Therefore, endurance athletes might benefit more from chia seeds, while those focusing on recovery could choose flax. Remember to hydrate well. Add 3 times the amount of water to your seed portion when consuming before exercise. Want to triple the power of these super seeds? Here's where proper preparation makes all the difference in nutrient absorption. Research from Food Chemistry Journal reveals that grinding flax seeds increases nutrient availability by 85%, but they must be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator and used within 2 weeks. Chia seeds don't require grinding, thus making them more convenient, but exposure to heat above 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius can damage their omega-3s. A study from the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that soaking chia seeds for 20 minutes before consumption increases nutrient absorption by 42%. Here's a game-changing tip not mentioned earlier. Combining both seeds with citrus fruits increases iron absorption by 300% due to vitamin C content. For maximum benefits, alternate between the seeds weekly to get diverse nutrients. Store whole seeds in a dark glass container in a cool place, and never consume either seed dry. Always mix with liquid first. Choosing your seed. Choose chia seeds if you want. Convenient no prep option. Higher protein content. Better endurance. Immediate energy and bone strength. Choose flax seeds if you need. Hormone balance. Digestive regularity. Lower cholesterol. Menopausal support. Blood sugar control. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comment below. Discover ancient wisdom and modern science behind perfect gut health habits that will transform your life forever. Let's watch the next video here.